Here it is, Apple CarPlay in the 2016 to 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. This new screen is over 12 inches diagonally, much higher resolution than your factory screen, and it looks absolutely fantastic. No matter which app you use for music, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, you'll have easy access to your large, beautiful cover art. Coming back home, the same goes for navigation. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other app, Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
This is so much
Head
better
west on
than
Edgehill
factory
Road.
navigation.
Then take the first left onto Queens Road.
Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up. We've spent a lot of time carefully engineering this system to work with your factory microphone, so phone calls and text messages sound great. You can also easily talk to Siri by using the voice speech key. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in Charlotte?
It's currently cloudy and 71 degrees. Expect rain starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 71 to 61 degrees tonight.
Siri can easily read your text messages and make phone calls as well. This system can do a lot more than just Apple CarPlay. Here in the underlying Hamilton operating system, you can load apps that might not be available in CarPlay. Any app with a Google Play Store component will be available in the Hamilton underlying operating system here. Of course, this system is going to preserve all of your factory features, your factory screen, factory navigation. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will bring you back to your factory screen. Here you'll have full access to your factory navigation as well as XM radio. Of course, also you'll have access to your factory climate page with all of your climate control features. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds again will bring you back to CarPlay. Shifting to reverse in CarPlay will show your original backup camera as well as your original 360 camera. And back to park will bring you right back to CarPlay. Pressing your original camera view button will also continue to work, and you'll continue to have access to all of the cameras on the vehicle just like you did from the factory. These are the buttons here. This is our main menu button that'll take you back to the Hamilton home screen. This button would take you to the navigation settings where you can preload a navigation app to open. We do not have one loaded currently. This button will take you to the factory audio settings. This is a power button to turn off the display. And this dim night mode button allows you to change the brightness for night mode. You can see how great the Hamilton Premium Conversion Kit integrates with your factory OEM radio. We are so excited about this product. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out at hamiltonmotorcompany.com.